house again. In this episode, we're going to discuss pocket speed and why it's so important to your everyday game. Well, over the years, I've watched many players make this same mistake. The reason they miss this is that they don't understand the speed of the shot. Because the pocket is smaller when coming at it from an angle, the trick is to making the ball is shooting it at pocket speed. It's simple as that. Before I teach you pocket speed, I want to help you understand the pocket itself. On any pool table, the two side pockets face each other, and all the corner pockets face the side pocket opposite from them. If you're shooting on one of these tracks, the pocket is larger and you should have no problem making the ball. The further you move off of this track, the smaller the pocket becomes. You go from shooting into the back of the pocket to shooting into the facing of the pocket. To find the center of the pocket from an angle, you simply picture two lines coming straight out of the sides of the corner pocket or the side pocket towards the object ball. The point directly between these two lines is your new center of the pocket, and this is where you should try to aim. Now that you understand the pocket, I'm going to teach you about pocket speed. When shooting at an angle into a smaller pocket, if you punch or stun the ball, it will usually shoot right past the edge of the pocket to the corner and just bounce right back out. Instead, you want to hit the ball just hard enough to get it to the hole, making sure to follow through with your stroke. The speed will allow the ball to get to the pocket so that it can just fall in. Unlike the system I teach in my speed video, pocket speed doesn't travel a set distance. To put it simply, pocket speed is how hard you have to hit the object ball to just get it to the hole. If you hit the back of the pocket, you shot it too hard, and that really wasn't pocket speed. So let me show you a couple examples. For the first example, I'm going to show you when you have a full pocket. When the corner pocket and the side pocket are facing each other, if an object ball is on that track or close to it, you have a full pocket. So I'm going to shoot this shot at pocket speed. It should just barely drop in the hole. There, I executed a good pocket speed shot. The next example is shooting the ball down the rail. Because the pocket is reduced so much, you really need to start shooting these balls at pocket speed. So just in case you miss it a little bit, you can cheat the pocket. So let's shoot the shot. See there, I cut it a little bit short, and the fine ball actually touched the rail before it went in the hole, but because I hit it at such a soft speed, the ball still went in the hole. Now for the last example, I'm going to be shooting the object ball into the side pocket. And because the pocket is so small, a lot of people overlook this angle. But if you hit that ball real good at pocket speed, it's really an easy shot. So let's shoot it. Hadn't hit it at pocket speed, I wouldn't have made it. For your pocket speed drill, here I threw out 9 balls. You can use anywhere between 6 to 15 balls, or you could even just throw one ball out at a time, shooting the ball at different angles and shooting every ball in the hole at pocket speed. You can shoot any ball at any time with this little drill that I have here with the 9 balls. The main thing I want you to remember is, again, hitting every ball at pocket speed. If the ball slaps the back of the hole, you shot it too hard. You've got to remember, I just want you to roll the ball in the hole. So now, let's do the drill. You can take the ball in hand, place the ball anywhere on the table. If you get in a bad position, just take the ball in hand again and grab it and shoot the shot. Because all we're doing is focusing on pocket speed. So here we go. Now, I'd like for you to do 3 to 5 racks if you do the racks of balls. If you're just shooting balls one at a time, I'd like for you to shoot you about 50, 60 balls. And getting comfortable with this before you start experimenting with the different strokes and different tip placements. The main thing I want you to work on here is pocket speed and the speed that the object ball travels. Speed is such a crucial component, and yet it is one of the most under-taught skills. This lesson is just the first step to a better understanding. You should practice this and also check out my video on speed control on my website on www.hillbillyonthehill.com. This has been Charlie Bryant with your Hillbilly Express instructional series, Free Tip.